Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.4 question number 9. Rafik exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Let us solve this problem. Now, Rafik exercised for Rafik exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour. 3 by 6 of an hour. And we know that 1 hour 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Right? Therefore, we will find 3 by 6 into 60 minutes. Right? Therefore, we are getting 6 10 is 60, that is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Now, Rohit exercised for Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. 3 by 4 of an hour. Right? Therefore, we are getting 3 by 4 into 60 minutes. Right? 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 5 6 20, 4 5 is 20. 15 3 is 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Therefore, here you see Rohit exercised for 45 minutes and Rafik exercised for 30 minutes. Who exercised for a longer time? Rohit exercised for a longer time. Therefore, the answer is Rohit exercised for a longer time. Right? Again, we are repeating that Rafik exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour and we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Therefore, 3 by 6 into 60. We cut this by 6 on the 6, 6 9 is 60, therefore it is 30 minutes. Therefore, Rafik exercised for 30 minutes. Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour and 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 3 by 4 into 60 and 4 15 is 60, so 3 into 15 is 45 minutes. That means Rohit exercised for 45 minutes and Rafik exercised for 30 minutes. That is, who exercised for a longer time? Therefore, you can say that Rohit exercised for a longer time.